He's going after Bassa in the bush. We may see some catbird action soon, because that blue jay's right in the bush with Bassa. And the other one's above him. Oh, they're both after him now. They're not happy campers. Yep. Bassa, I think you're going to be on the move soon. There he is right there. There's our Bassa. Well, it's not our Bassa, our neighbor's cat. And the mockingbird has joined in. Mockingbird's right there. Now we have 2 blue jays, a mockingbird, and a cat. And this cat doesn't know what to do. Bassa, you're SOL, let me tell you, buddy. He's licking his chops. Oh, okay. Now we're going to get some action. It's moving to the other bush.